Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who is watching the video. You're watching Tech It's Simple YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create Lloyds Bank. Alright, so for those people who do not the Lloyds Bank is a bank in UK, or in another word United Kingdom, and it's our retail banking company. And if you guys create account in this bank, you guys are gonna get like a really nice, interest on your savings account, as well as you get like a really nice interest on your mortgage or your loan. So if you guys want to know more about the stuff, you can visit the official website of Lloyds Bank. Its official website is lloydsbank.com, so you can go there to know more about it. Let's get into the video. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on. So you want to search for Lloyds Bank on their search engine. After you search for Lloyds Bank, when you click on the first thing where it says Lloyds Bank Personal Banking, Personal Finance, once you click on it, it's going to take it off your website. Once you're over here, it's going to give you these two options, but from these two options, you want to choose the one. Which one? So I have a personal account, I'm going to go on personal over here. Once I click on personal, it's going to take me to the personal bank's login page. Alright, so once I'm over here, I need to fill up my user ID over here. After entering my user ID, I need to enter my account password over here. After I do that, I click on continue and I should be able to log in into my Lloyds Bank. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can log in into Lloyds Bank online banking. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe with notification on, and if you guys have any question, ask us in the comments. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.